Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to make these snowflakes. So first, start off by taking some paper and then fold it up diagonally and then fold on either side to make it meet at the top. Then after this, make this particular shape cutting out of it and roll the outside edges. Next, start off by making a triangular shape and then add tape into this triangular shape. Then, take multiple pieces of hay or any sort of grass and stick it all around. Stick cutter paper at the bottom and then add a brown bark using some brown paper. Next, take a sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally, and then make this particular shape out of it that looks like a tree and a branch. Once you open it up, this is what it should look like. Begin to draw on it using a marker or a pen, and then draw Santa Claus, and then color it in as you please. Then color in the trees in green, and then color the bark in brown. Next, we'll be learning how to make the snowflake. In order to do so, start off by taking a rectangular sheet of paper and then fold it over. Bend the top edge of it in a very narrow shape. Now use a pencil in order to make these markings. Once you have done this, cut out these markings. Then make multiple of these, stick it one on top of the other, add tape to the center. Next, take a square sheet of paper, make a diagonal fold to it, open up the sheet of paper, fold in one of the sides. Now fold the top over and the sides as well. Make multiple of these kind of sheets, insert them one into the other and fold it inwards, insert it at the back. Add a little handle and a bow to it. Next, take a earbud and then cut out some other earbuds as well or knead the edges of it and stick it as arrowheads all around. Then stick multiple of these together. Take a blue sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally and then fold over both the edges and lift it up. Then make the shape, cut it out, and once you open it, it should look like this. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper, add glue to one portion of it and then cut multiple fruit foam nuts and then stick it as such. Make a house on the side and then make a cute little snowman. Draw on the eyes, the scarf and everything else. Add a moon at the top and trees on the side. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, add glue to the bottom, cut up multiple colors of paper and stick it as such. Then take two peanut shells, add it as the head and the body, draw on the legs, the antlers and then make reindeer out of it. Take some seeds and then add the bark of a tree on one end of it and then stick these seeds in ascending order as such in a triangular shape and then stick a star at the top. Then right beside it, stick two peanut shells and then add legs, antlers and a cute little nose and eyes. Next, take an orange, split it in half, then take the peel of the orange, put it through a stick as such. Make the size reduce as you go above and then add fairy lights around. Take a sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally first and then fold over each of the edges as such. Draw these lines on it at the base of it and then cut it out accordingly. Now, once you open it, it should look like a snowflake. Take a red sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally at first and then fold over both the edges upwards. Now using a toothpick, draw these lines and then at the top of it draw a heart. Now open it out and once you open it out, it should look like a heart-shaped snowflake. Next, take a earbud and then cut out other earbuds as well and then attach the cutout portions to the initial earbud. Join them together to make this. Next, take a red sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally. Now open up the fold over either side to make it meet in the center. Now fold over the wider edge and make it look like Santa Claus. Make a diagonal fold and then fold over one of the edges upwards and the other sidewards. Then cut it out according to the shape. Stick a brown sheet of paper to make a bark of the tree, then take multiple strips of differently colored papers and then stick it in a triangular shape as such. Add a little message at the bottom. Take a semi-ovular sheet of paper, add it to the bottom, then add a circular sheet right on top of it. On top of that, add what looks like Santa's hat to it and then use tissue paper to make the white portions of it. Use tissue paper to make Santa's beard as well. Thank you for watching.